People are even going to go, what did you do to your video? And you're like, I don't know, it's CapCut. CapCut editing for beginners. This video is part of a series where I teach you the latest productivity apps in 2024 so you can improve the quality of your video uploads, your digital products, and your overall productivity this year in less time. So be sure to subscribe right now before you forget so you'll be notified of the next video. Side note, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do horizontal video editing. But if you stay till the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to take that exact same video and switch it to a vertical video for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. So be sure to stay to the end of the video so I can show you how to do that real quick. CapCut is my secret weapon in making my videos pop. I'm a professional video editor. For my longer videos, I use Final Cut Pro on my desktop. However, to keep up with regular postings and all the other video needs that I have to be able to edit quickly on my phone many times. And Final Cut Pro does not come on a phone app. And the iMovie that comes with my iPhone is not really up to the level of what I think needs to be for today's video editing needs. I just said that in a weird way. Final Cut Pro for quick and easy videos for online is like using a Ferrari to go to the store to get milk. It's like a little too much. The fact that you can edit CapCut videos on your phone and on your computer, and it's free, it's like a no-brainer. To me, CapCut is the leader right now in 2024 in video editing for our social media needs, for regular videos that we like to post. It is free. There is a pro paid version. Everything you need as a small digital creator is available in the free version. So don't even worry about that part of it. And I'm going to teach you in this video how to do all the basics so you're ready to go in like less than 10 minutes. You're going to be ready to like start editing and make your videos look really cool. People are even going to go, what did you do to your video? And you're like, I don't know, it's CapCut. Okay, first things first, let's get CapCut downloaded. It's available on both iPhone and Android. Just head over to your app store, search for CapCut, and hit download. Easy peasy. All right, with CapCut open, it's time to import your clip or clips. Inside of CapCut, tap New Project, and you're going to see your phone's library. Select the clip or clips that you want and hit Add. You don't have to add all the clips that you're going to be using at this beginning part. You can add them later, but just pick at least one clip right now just so we can go through it together. CapCut also handles photos, so be sure to give that a shot as well. Now comes the magic. As a professional editor, I love editing. So this is the fun part. This is when you can really express yourself. And especially if the software is intuitive, easy to use, you can use it while you're on the train or you're waiting for a doctor's appointment with your headphones on. It's really easy, it's really fun, and I think you're gonna find your true voice in your videos by doing all the fun edits. So now on the timeline on the bottom, you're going to see your clip or clips. To trim a clip, you just select it and you drag the bar from the left to the right. You have to grab it on the end. Drag it from left to right to trim the beginning, right to left to trim the end. One thing I do with all my videos that I do talking head videos like this, I just keep talking through all my mistakes and through all my mess ups and through everything like that. And then I'll split the video at different points, at different takes, and then I will delete it. So splitting is a really important thing to know. So what you do is you select the video clip, and on the bottom, you'll see split becomes an option. It's usually on the bottom left there. Hit that, and it'll split the video clip right where the playhead is. Now you can tighten up those clips that way. I even do split to like really select a big chunk where maybe I'm like looking out the window or something, and then I just delete that part. Also, if you want to just really make your videos very concise because of like people don't like the and then we went over there, you know, you can cut out the and you can just start cleaning it up. And I do split and I drag the sides and I get it real precise. All right, let's spice things up. The text options in CapCut are really, really fun. You can add captions, other text, you can add stickers, you can add all kinds of fun stuff. There are tons of cool fonts to choose from. And although YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok all have like adding a caption as an option, I love using the caption option in CapCut. It's so unique and interesting looking. You can adjust the color, you can adjust the pacing, you can adjust the font, you can get very personalized with it. And in some cases, you can even have the color on the actual word that you're doing. I like that. One pro tip I will say is get your edit down first. Don't do the captions yet. I'm just telling you about that right now, but don't do your captions until you have your edit. Once you have your edit and you like it, then have it generate the captions. That way you're not moving that around, because that's a nightmare. Get your full first cut done, then hit auto generate captions, and then you can go in and you can make adjustments if you need to. Like for instance, every time I say, I have dreams, damn it, it spells Dammit, D-A-M-N space it, which is fine, but I like it D-A-M-M-I-T because that's the name of my podcast and that's the name of the website, ihavedreamsdammit.com, and I don't want it having different spelling than the spelling that I'm using for my brand. Okay, so there's another option there once you're done messing around with text is stickers. You can get, if you click on stickers, that's where you're gonna start to really be like, oh my God, you're gonna probably go crazy at first. I don't know, I did. So you can get emojis, shapes, and even animated stickers. Just add your personality to the video, man. In the world of AI, all we've got is our personalities at this point because we can all share information now with robots, right? Robots are sharing information. AI. If you add your own interesting take on things or fun playfulness and everything, you're adding your personality to your videos. Okay, so now let's talk about transitions. Transitions are like magic tricks that bring all of your clips together in a seamless, fun, interesting way. Tap on the icon in between your two clips, and then you're gonna see all of the different transitions come up. I just go through ones that seem like that might work there, and I just try them all out. That's the only way you're gonna find it is by trial and error. Go in there, try this, try that, try the other. It's so easy and quick to try something and then take that off and try something else. So have fun with that. Now let's talk about music and sound. The right music or sound effect can take your video to the next level. Do not cut corners on this one. Tap the sounds button and here a library of sounds that you can use for your videos will pop up. And sound effects. You can even import your own audio of something that you've recorded or something that's funny. You can import your own audio. Now let's talk about speed and volume. Do you want to create a slow motion effect or speed up a clip and make it fast motion? Tap on the clip and hit speed. Slide the bar back and forth to adjust the speed of your clip. Pro tip, if your clip is really close, if you're doing a reel or a short, and you're really close to that 1 minute or 90-second threshold. TikTok now has up to 10 minutes, but Instagram Reels is still 90 seconds and YouTube Shorts are 60 seconds. So let's say you're like at 70 seconds and you're like, I really want to post this on YouTube Shorts. You can speed up your clip a little bit. And so then that'll make it into that time. You'll see, you'll slide it around and you'll get it precisely right where you need it. And if you're really close, it won't even really be discernible. Obviously, if you're trying to take like, a 1.5 minute clip and make it in a minute clip, it's going to be more obvious. You can also adjust the sound for each clip. Let's say one clip is really crazy loud. The next clip is really quiet. Just select the clip and adjust the volume. Filters and text overlays. CapCut offers a bunch of cool filters to really create a unique look with your video. Feeling fancy? Tap the overlay button for a layer of text or an image or even a video over your video clip. Kind of like what I do when I have, the phone right here or an image like my movie poster of the film that I produced, things like that. Exporting your masterpiece. Once you're happy with your editing magic, it's time to share your creation with the world. Tap the export button on the upper right. CapCut will automatically save it to your phone or computer. All right, bonus clip number 1. Templates and trends. Are you feeling overwhelmed? And you're like, I just want to get something cool. I don't want to go to editing school. I get it. Or maybe you're just creatively blocked that day. So CapCut has templates and ones that are maybe trending, and it'll tell you how many people are liking or using a particular template. It's pretty cool. And you can customize them on your own clips. Just tap the templates button and explore the variety of intros and outros or trendy video styles. Okay, as promised, you're at the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. So let's take your video and let's make it vertical for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels. What I do is I create a new project and then I'll import the completed video that I just edited and exported into my camera roll. I'll import that into a new project and then I'll do that from there. I don't like to mess with my original edit. So create a new project, import your horizontal video that you just edited to perfection. Mwah, chef's kiss. It's in your photo album. You're going to import that. And then on the bottom right inside of CapCut, you're going to see aspect ratio. You're going to tap on that and you're going to see a bunch of choices from left to right scrolling. You're going to go to the one second from the left and it looks like a TikTok one. That's the one you want. You're going to click on that, and you're going to notice that even though the black background has changed to being a vertical, your actual video is still in the middle horizontal. So that's when you need to tap on your clip and you need to zoom in on it and make it fill up that entire vertical. And you'll want it to be where you're in the middle, or whatever the subject is of your video, that it's in the middle. So you can move that from left to right. So you're gonna zoom it all the way to fit it, and then move it so the subject is in the center. You can also create duplicates of the clip. So I don't know if you've seen on YouTube Shorts, but one of the choices to have is to have a longer video, a vertical video, and then the exact horizontal video on top or below it. So you can do multiple videos within your video screen. You know what I mean? So on your timeline, you have your clip, right? You go to overlay and you bring in the exact same clip again. And now on that top clip, you can make that the smaller one. Maybe have that one be the horizontal one, and you want that on the bottom part of your vertical screen. And then you take the one that's on top and you make that one a smaller vertical so that there's still space for your horizontal. Does that make sense? The point is, you can have fun with it. It doesn't have to be the exact full version. I usually do that, and sometimes I think that's a lot of my face all up in people's face, but I don't know, sometimes I just go with it. I mostly do that. But anyway, so that's how you do that. Very easy, very quick and easy. So that's wonderful, because a lot of times in the past it wasn't easy. So seeing how easy it is in CapCut is just, I'm excited to share that with you. So there you go. That's how you take a horizontal video and make it vertical. Okay, that's it. You've learned how to edit with CapCut. Now go forth and create awesome videos for your audience. If you learned something in today's video, would you give me a like? I would really appreciate it, because it just helps with the algorithm. It says, hey, the people watching this video like this content, and so they push it out more. And since I'm trying to restart my dead channel in 2024, every like, every share, every subscriber helps the algorithm understand the right people are watching my videos. I really appreciate it. If you have a suggestion for an app you would like me to make a tutorial on, please leave it below. I love to make videos that you want to see. So if you have something like with AI, or I am going to do Canva, and a bunch of other different apps, please let me know, because I'll add it to the series. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next productivity app how-to. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.